Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? Today is a what fits in my Denim 20 Quilted Tabby. Yes, all of this stuff right here is currently what I carry in my Denim Darcy, which I go in and out of my Denim Darcy. It's kind of my home base, and I've moved into some smaller denims, and then I moved back into that one. So I just kind of been going back and forth, but this is all the kind of the stuff that I am moving in and out. Mine is my Radley London wallet. Yeah, where is that? Let me grab that really quick. Here it is. Alrighty. This is what I carry and what I've been carrying for the past probably about a month-ish. And I just kind of go in and out depending on what bag I'm carrying as to what ends up staying in my bags. So we are going to see what fits in the Quilted Denim 20, my Coach Quilted Denim 20 Tabby. Yes. I did an unboxing, so hopefully y'all saw that one. If not, go back and see it. And you can find it in my playlist under denim. You can also find it under Coach, and you can find it easily there. So obviously we definitely won't be using this. What I do have is I've been using this card case. It's it's really a business card holder that I've turned into a card case. It was like, I got it on Junie.com for like, I think it was on sale for about 19 bucks in December, just before December, November, December. And so here it's this color, and on this side, it's kind of it's a red, and it's pebble grain on this side. And then on this side, I believe it's Florentine. I just thought that was interesting. I have an iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is my Louis Vuitton 6-key ring holder that I finally get to use. I got it from the generosity of Ed Braun. It was part of his subscriber giveaway. Here is my pen and a single little container, because sometimes you just need one pen. But you don't want, ladies, men, you don't want to just be throwing it in the bag. So they got a nice pretty little tree there. Got it on Amazon. Here is my, has my stickers. If y'all are still interested in stickers, please drop me a note, and my DM Bean Beauty Bags It at on Instagram, or beanbeautybagsit@yahoo.com. Send me your mailing address where you would like me to send stickers, and how many stickers you would like, and a magnet. I have a few magnets left. So I kind of keep this in here so I can hand them out. This is a coconut hand cream, hand stick. You just rub it on your hands, on your like that, and instead of having it being like liquid, it is that. And I found out when we were traveling to Hawaii, because it's a solid, so it doesn't count against your liquids and stuff when you're flying. So I got that, and then I also got this one, which is a lip balm, and then here is the regular hand cream. Sometimes I put some other little goodies here and there, but that's what I have in here right now. That's here. Here is my Louis Vuitton, I guess it's an A5 little notebook. I do have lots of notes in here that I keep. I use this a lot when I'm doing the lives. I use this a lot just when I'm trying to jot stuff down. I traded with Jackie from Jack's Bag Chat for this. I gave her a Coach, a brand new Coach something or another. Hobo something or another. Well, you can find that too over in her her channel under bag swaps. We did a big massive bag swap like last year. I've been carrying this. This is the denim piece that it is a like a mini kind of wallet on chain. I've been carrying in here, I have a mini teeny tiny lipstick, YSL lipstick. I have, this is what you can see that's all in there. I have my ibuprofen. I have a barrette that I think I'm gonna have to get rid of because it's not staying closed anymore. I use it so much. And I have a little claw. So this is the kind of stuff that I need when I'm at the games and, you know, it gets hot and cold and, you know, what have you. So I always need something for your hair, and definitely backup Motrin in case I start hurting. And I keep this. So I need the contents, definitely need the contents out of here, even if I don't use this. I need the contents. And then in here, I have, this is my change purse. This is what it looks like. I also keep lady products in here, but I need to replenish. And here is a chapstick, a soft lips, chapped lips, and another, I was been looking for this. This is my Jackie bought it and I had to have it. Revlon lipstick. It's the 777 Revlon. And she had put it on and it looked so great on her. I ordered it while I was watching. Has my tissue. I need my tissue. It has, I have some, carry toothpicks in here. And the only thing that it's missing is my lady products that I keep in here. So this obviously is not going to fit in here. There's no way. So I know I'll have to take things out. I won't be able to put a lot. I'm curious to see what all is going to fit. So definitely my phone will go in the back here, right there in the back. And here is my key. Chalk key clay. No, it's not key clay. My key rings, my key, whatever it holds my keys. It holds my P.O. box keys. That's the only place that I need keys from. Here is what I would use for credit cards and what have you. Will it close? It won't close, so it's gonna have to go long ways. Okay, and I will need the contents out of here. I will need my Motrin, and so in here I would keep that for quick access because it would be somewhere I would be like going out or what have you. So here is my hair clips, and then a hand cream. I need a hand cream. Do I have a lip balm in here? I don't. So I would, if I was just going real quick, I would probably use this one, the small one, hand cream. That fits there. And I would use this, this lip balm, because it has a little bit of tint in it. So I would need that. Okay, that can lay down. This will it close? Okay. That will close and this will close. Let's see if this puts stress on it. And I would like to keep, I might put the pin in the back, but I like to keep a pin because when you don't have a pin, you need a pin. And I try to keep my post office keys with me because when we go out, then I like to make sure and have it, because while we're out and about, we can swing by and get it. So this is how it would look. So it doesn't feel like it's stressing on there. It does open up here, but the Quilted Tabbies have that little raise here on here. See, it has it there and it has it over on this side. But denim is kind, made to stretch. It's kind, in my mind, and I could be wrong, in my mind, it would be like when you wear a pair of jeans and you stretch it, and you wear them for a while, you stretch them and they get a little bit bigger. That's kind of how it would feel. But definitely I could keep my essentials in here that I needed, and a little bit more essentials than I would keep in my quilted wristlet tabby. What I'll do is let me grab that real quick. Okay. Just for size comparison, in case you didn't see the other one, here is the wristlet tabby. So this one has this great wristlet. It has a chain. It comes with a chain, a crossbody chain as well too, and then it has the wristlet that comes with it. And I just really like that. I mean, it's my favorite. This is my favorite silhouette, but this is great. So here is what they look side by side in the front. Here's what they look side by side from the bottom. Here's what it looks like from the top. And let me see, I was trying to do this in the last video, but there. So it here, so you have about that much room is what you have a little bit longer on there. I love this. That's definitely a keeper, and I would get more. I mean, if I could get a black and a gold one in this, I'd buy it. Right now, all they have is a lavender and a pink one. I would love this in a wristlet as well too, but I may not need it in the wristlet, although I wouldn't say no. I wouldn't say no. So that's my what fits in my Coach Quilted Denim Tabby in the size 20. Not bad, huh? So I got plenty in there. Got a lot more in there than I thought I would get. See? There we go. Okay, I'll take this out and then we'll end the video. I have in the back pocket my cell phone. Ta-da. I did get to have my pen holder in here. I have my 6-ring Louis Vuitton keychain. This is the Dooney & Burke. It's I'm using it as a card case, but it's actually a business card holder. Then in the front, I have, and actually look here, there's plenty of room to put other stuff in it. I just didn't want to stretch it, but you could put plenty of more stuff in there. But here is my lip balm, a small hand cream, a mini hair claw, and a mini barrette, and my all important mocha. All right, Bean Beauties, hope that helped. Hope y'all are enjoying this. What fits have come as viewer request. I don't normally do them because I'm not very good at them, and I think that they're available everywhere else. But I did have several subscribers ask me for them, so I'm trying to give y'all what y'all want. Okay, Bean Beauties, love y'all. Bye bye.